Hello and welcome back. Today I'm filming a bit of an Easter look. It's really just a fuchsia sparkly look. I'm priming my eyelids with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Cloud. I'm using the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette, starting with the shade Dreamy through the crease. Packing the metallic fuchsia shade Paradise on the lid and bringing it out to the outer corner. This shade is a fuchsia, with blue fine sparkle through it. This palette is seriously one of my favorites. It just fits my aesthetic so well. Although this is such a pretty color, I do top it with a lighter sparkly shade to soften it. It was a little brighter than I was going for. Softening the edges and blending to the brow bone with this baby pink sparkly shade in Rapture. Topping Paradise with the shade Beam. It looks darker in the picture, but it's a metallic lilac with pink shift. It softened everything up and made everything sparkly. Using the Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer in the Hydrating formula. Concealing my under eyes and breakouts with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Cloud and the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo concealer in Light Ivory. I'm sorry, my camera keeps focusing on the palette and not my face. I didn't notice it was doing that even with focus locked on my face. Finishing my base with a mix of the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 1 and the Revlon Colorstay Foundation in shade 110 Ivory. Building a little more coverage under my eyes. Setting my base with the Coty Air Spun powder in translucent, making sure to press the powders in and dusting away the excess. Framing the bottom lash line with Dreamer on the outer to thirds. Highlighting the inner, third and inner corner with Beam. Bronzing with the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette. This bronzer shade is so good. Using the Beauty in a Blinc Glow Getter Face Palette Blush in shade Resilient. Highlighting with the Beauty in a Blinc Glow Getter Face Palette in Empowered. I decided I needed to use Beam to top the highlight. I needed more glitter. Melting down the powders with the Mannakadar Skincare Hydration Happy Mist. Filling in my brows with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. Setting my brows in place all day with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Lift Gel. I wanted to keep this look on the brighter side, so I lined my eyes with the NYX Wonder Pencil in Light. Finishing off the eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash and Roll Mascara in Black. Finishing the look with the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite Lip Gloss from the Cuddle Team Leader Bundle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.